Well, what? You think I'm gonna go a whole month and do reviews and not try to stay in shape? Gotta get the carbs burning, the calories burning, so I can have some food. Heard this place is amazing. Been filling up on beer, and I think it's time to soak up some of that beer with some meat and some bread and some cheese and some bacon. Hi, my name is Gabriel Manick. I'm an actor, and I am starving. Time to get some more food in this six-packed belly. It's totally a six-pack. Under a six-pack of beer. It's there. I promise.
A half a pack.
The what?
A half a pack.
A half and half a pack.
A half and half.
Half and half. Half and half. Yeah, the half and half. That's what you need. That's all you need. We are at Isaac's world famous burgers. I believe I heard about this place from Heather and Kenneth. We're still in Tampa, like right next to Woven Waters. So, the big American
Let's see that
bacon cheeseburger.
Here.
Look at that beauty.
Ooh.
Beauty.
Nice
Yeah.
bacon.
See
nice
that?
Cheese.
Look at the bread on that too.
The bread looks phenomenal.
Some butter on that, right off the grill. It's got lettuce, tomato. I thought there were onions on there, but it's got mayo, ketchup, and just American cheese and good bacon. We were talking over with Jasmine at Woven Waters, and she's like, "Bacon it up, guys. You got to get the bacon." So we got the bacon. Wow, now since the sun is coming out, I think with this burger, I'm gonna be getting the meat sweats. Let's push it down just a little bit. These guys have been around since 2017. They had to close during COVID, but after things got a little better, they were able to open up, so they've been open again for the last year and a half. So that's awesome, because places like this gotta stay open. They gotta thrive, so support those small businesses. Sorry, I can't talk because my mouth is watering right now. The small businesses got to stay open and stay supported. Oh, you can come on through. Thank you, man. So John ordered some.
No, that should be fine.
Oh, no problem. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, John ordered some lemon pepper wings, wet. He ordered them wet.
Yeah.
So
it's shaken, not stirred, or
shaken, not stirred. That's right. Wet,
blonde.
not dry.
Yeah.
Wet, not dry. Remember that? Remember that one? It was like Community Q barbecue. You on side? Great. I'll take the St. Louis ribs. Wet, not dry. Yeah. All right. Well, without further ado, first bite's the one that counts when you starve. Oh wow. Okay. Like John said inside, places like this, it's like you're getting backyard barbecue food. This tastes like a backyard barbecue burger. That somebody who's been on the grill for decades, who knows how to man that grill, who knows how to make that burger. It's so good. A nice char. Oh man, so good. Take a look right there.
Man, that's
Look at the mix, the mayo.
That's a great looking burger.
It's a really good looking burger. Great tasting burger too.
And they get all their products locally here too, right?
Exactly. That was what I was going to say. Yeah, the bread is made locally at a local bakery, as well as the ingredients like the lettuce and everything in there. Like that is locally sourced. So you can't get any more local and any more just amazing, fresh than that. I'm gonna take one more bite. This is just so good. Oh. So good. So good.
So good it makes you dance.
Makes you dance.
First the Egyptian and now the straight up
Just hey ladies, you're missing out. You want to go dancing? I'll do this all night. I'll keep it moving. Get in the comments if you want to go dancing.
It's either that or he's got to go to the bathroom pretty
Yeah, I gotta go pee. Here's another thing, final thing I want to say. I don't order my burgers well done because usually it ends up being dry. This definitely, if anything, it's medium well. It might be well done, but oh my god, it's so juicy. It's so juicy. So like, he knows what he's doing back there. This is phenomenal. So for Isaac's world famous burgers, for the big American bacon burger, I'm gonna give it a 9-1. 9-1. Because again, well done. Most of the well dones I've had were dry. This got some juice in it. It got some juice in it. I like it. So next time you're in Tampa, which why not? It's Florida. Come see a game. Come check out the breweries. Make sure you stop by right by the Tire Shack. That's what it is. Like, there's literally a tire shack. It's right next to it. Authentic, really delicious food. Listen to some music. Enjoy the patio, and have some amazing food.